Hello guys, welcome back to my main channel. I've just been looking for my videos and I just found this amazing clip of a pigeon trying to get to the bird food from a high height from just a single bar rim of a dish bowl, and it is funny. Even if you might not like it or it might not be tasty, please show some support, and I hope you enjoy it. Right, I hope you enjoyed that comedy video clip, and I have got another video coming up on this channel about Windows 7, so stay tuned for that video coming up when I'm feeling better to do it. And as you can tell, I've still got a little bit of a cold, so that's why I thought I'd show you this. And yeah. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on post notifications for videos like these, and comment down below, have you ever seen something funny in your life happen unexpectedly, or some random bit, or some wildlife doing weird things and crazy things, or trying to do something funny? Let me know. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.